G'day, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's been wetted to help bring out the colour. The rule's in millimetres. Okay, I've just brought the camera in a bit closer so you can see. It's got nice play of colour in it, blues, the right angle, getting some reds there. Don't know if it's showing up on the... there you go, red flash in the middle. This bit of overburden will come off, I think. As you can see, it's nice and thick there. Natural cabochon shape. So should be a nice pendant. Or you could cut it down smaller for a couple of rings or something, but I'm getting some greens, flashes in a couple of spots here. Oh yeah, the camera's picking it up quite well. The other piece, nice bands of blue, potch on the top there. Basically you're looking at the faces, so maybe cut it down like that. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.